Here we've got HOMTOM HT16 and let me show you how to activate screen protection, how to add pattern on the following device. So at first you have to locate and open the settings. Here they are. Now let's go to security and then click on screen lock. So you can pick either pattern, pin code or password. So let me pick pattern, for example. Obviously you can pick whichever you prefer, and now draw the unlock pattern that you would like to have. So I will write L letter, then click on continue, draw the pattern one more time for confirmation, and then just select if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive ones, or you want to see them at all. So I will hide sensitive notifications, click on done, and from now on no stranger will be able to access your device as it's protected by this screen lock. As you can see, you have to provide the device with this pattern. And that would be all. This is how you can set screen lock on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.